only have finish. After finish, you go the okay, talata, no problem. Because after we are after finish, you go home because I will lecture simply. I will lecture and then we will have small exam. Small 30 minutes exam finish. Only like that. Malog, ana foods, ala, where is this sandal? Where is this sulfur? You remember I give you? Okay. Say it. Malog all, Nasib malog. Bakit malog? Okay, tulo understand exam. Today. Then afternoon, we will remove. And then finish and go. You check your name. Your name, pass, no pass. Check, I no pass. Pass, who is pass, go on. No pass, maybe come back here, sawa-sawa this week. Okay?